Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Booking.com affiliate account settings step by step clearly. Log in to your Booking.com affiliate partner account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Account Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on Account Settings to open the Settings menu. Review the current information displayed in your account settings. To update your personal information, click on the Edit button next to the relevant section. Input your new details, ensuring all information is accurate. After making your changes, scroll down and click Save to apply the updates. Next, if you wish to change your payment settings, return to the Account Settings menu. Select the Payment Information section. Review your current payment details. Click on the Edit button to make changes. Enter your preferred payment method and associated details. Once you've entered the new information, click Save to confirm. If you need to update your website or promotional links, go back to the dashboard. Select the Website Details section. Here, you can add or modify the URL of your affiliate website. Input the new URL and click on Save Changes. For language settings, return to the Account Settings tab. Choose the Language Preferences section. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Click Save to finalize your language preferences. Always double-check all updated information for accuracy. Log out of your account once you've finished updating your settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.